Do you want to make this type of images? Do you know how you can enhance your image? Let's start now. Firstly, you make 2 copies for your image. Then you select the hue saturation. Adjust the details of your image and change its color to make it look better. Select Brush tool. Adjust brush capacity of 20 to 30%. Select black color and fill the face and hands. Select levels. First, you adjust 10 and seconds 1.20 to 1.50. Select vibrance. Adjust your images better. Select photo filter. Select color on your image you are glowing. Adjust percentage. And that's it. It looks amazing, right? I hope you learned something new. Thanks you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video.